Howdy, y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 25 of Scrap Timber, hosted by the Scrappy Sisters. And I am also going to, today's prompt is Holiday Supply, and I am also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I am still using my Close to My Heart, I think it's called Adore Me collection. And I'm using another one of these pre-printed sheets because I have a lot of them in the collection. And of course I pulled some holiday supplies. So I tried to find a pink kit that I had that could go with the pink and brown in this collection. So I found this one. This one is called, I don't know. This is a mix-in. This is the mix-in paper. I must have only had these stickers left from the collection. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. And so I just stuck them in with the papers that would kind of match. But these were mix-ins, but Close to My Heart. But anyways, I took the Dear Santa from the sticker pack and the Santa. And then I went and dug in my Christmas stuff because I packaged it up separate. And I found a few things from last year, a postage looking stamp, these poinsettias, and this gorgeous shaker that was made by Elizabeth Haynes for the pink shaker swap last year. And it is absolutely stunning. And I pulled some of the papers from that that had brown and pink. And then these pictures are kind of, I don't know, more of a faded feel. These are really old. This is Blake and Brooke. Brooke was 10 months old. And so Blake was not quite 2. Maybe he had just turned 2. Anyways, this is my father-in-law and of course my husband. And then this was my father-in-law's, it's his ex-wife now. But this is the Christmas we went to Texas. The only time we've ever been away from home at Christmas time. But we went to Texas and stayed for a week. And it felt like spring. It was so warm. It was just weird to have warm weather for Christmas. But we loved it. And it was funny because we went and it was my first time ever going to Texas, so all I wanted to do was see a cactus, because, you know, I guess your brain just thinks, Texas, cactus, Texas, cactus. So, I was so disappointed that I did not see a cactus, and I kept telling my father-in-law, well, when am I going to get to see a cactus, which we went to Dallas, Texas, so it's big city. It's a big city living. And I was like, where's the cactus? So him and Michael went out to the store at one point to pick up some things. And they brought me back a cactus from the store, like a Christmas cactus. And I brought it home. Proceeded to kill it because I know y'all see all my beautiful pictures of my flowers and all that stuff, but I cannot grow house plants to save my life. I kill them. But it lived for a little while until I offed it and alived it. But yeah, so I'm just going to place these down like this. I think I'm going to keep this layout pretty straightforward and simple. Oh gosh, no. I don't want you there, no. But, I don't know why these pictures are so faded. They're really old. Yeah, it says December 28th of 08. So, it's been a hot minute. Like I said, Brooke was only 10 months old. Neither one of them remember, of course, going. So they're always like, we haven't been to Texas. I'm like, well, actually, you have. And Blake's like, I don't remember it. It don't count. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. We went to the zoo and all that stuff down there. And I was really terrible about getting pictures printed back then. So I probably should actually dig back and see if I can find those pictures anymore. I'm going to use these as ornaments and just draw little strings like they're hanging little balls to make it look elegant, I guess. I should probably dig back through those pictures and find them, and I would have all kinds of new content to scrapbook that I normally don't scrapbook now. But yeah, Blake and Brooke kind of, well, I mean, even Miranda and Tyler, they were a little bit older, but Blake and Brooke kind of got the short end of the deal with pictures and all that stuff of whenever they were little. There's not a ton of them because I was just terrible about printing. And it is what it is, I guess. But let's see here. I think I need to move this down a little bit. Oh man, I'll just tuck it under. It's too far in now. I'm just going to use that to like journal and say we went to Texas for Christmas and all that stuff. It was really good. They were really good to us. My father-in-law, we don't see him very often. He is a truck driver. I probably told y'all this before. I think I have told y'all this before. But he is a truck driver and he drives for different bands. Usually country people. But he drives their equipment around. So whenever he comes close to us in town, we usually get to go. He was a driver for Disney on Ice for a long time. And so we got to go to Disney on Ice whenever he came to Knoxville. And it's just fun. I don't know who he's currently with right now. Last time we talked to him, he was heading up to Canada. So I'm just going to draw a little, make it look like a little holder. Let's see here. Let's draw down here on this one. I should have did this before I glued them all down. These pens are absolutely fabulous. If you haven't bought them yet, I do have them linked below in my Amazon store in the description. Of course, you don't have to use my link, but it's always greatly appreciated. But these are called Geth pen highlight pens, and they're the 1.0s. Now, make sure you get the 1.0s if you want them to write really good like this. I sat with Debbie at the crop. I got to meet her, and that I had never met before. So, woohoo! Hey, Debbie. And she had got them, but she ended up getting a smaller one, so it has a really fine point, and it writes really good also if you want it like to be a tiny point. But the 1.0 is my favorite because I like a good thick line. Okay, then I have this Dear Santa sticker, and all I did was fussy cut so I could kind of see how it would lay and all that stuff. So I'm just going to take it off of here. Ah, it's getting all tangled up. Okay, I think I got it now. Pull the middle pieces out here of the sticker. I so miss Close to My Heart. I absolutely love their kits and their papers and their style. Stampin' Up! Makes some gorgeous papers, but it just is not the same. I know they've tried, but it just is not the same. Theirs is so much more busy. And like I said, they're stunning, and I love them. Like, I love that Zinnia paper I used not long ago. But it's just not like having a Close to My Heart collection with different sizes and different patterns, and, you know, all my Close to My Heart fans out there will know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see. I'm going to add glue because this is not super sticky. And make sure I'm not putting it over nobody's face here. Also, the one thing about the highlight pen, the only downfall of it is you need to give it dry time before you touch it, or it will smear, because it does take a minute to dry. Okay, and then I have this little Santa I think I am going to put down here. Just add some glue here. And then I have these little poinsettias I thought I could add, just to add some gold to kind of tie the gold around the little things in, and the brownish highlights on the tree. That's why it matches so well with my paper. Just gonna put it a little bit here and there. I'm wondering if I should do one up here where I'm going to put my journaling. I think I will put one there. And then I will write on there and do my journaling. And that will pretty much be the layout. So I may have to go back and use tacky glue to hold down those flowers really good, since they're a little bit heavier. But look how cute. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you, and that you will pull out your supplies and play along with Scrap Timber too. And until next time, bye y'all.